Hello everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you what the Jamaican Ackee plant looks like. So please remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel so you can see other content coming from Jamaica. I hope you're all going to enjoy this one. This is one of our, I think it's called a fruit mainly, but it's something that we cook. We have it with saltfish, bacon or pork or whatever you want to add to it. So I'm going to show you what one of them looks like. Right everybody, so this is what the plant looks like. This is what the leaves look like on this particular plant. Just trying to get in focus because you know I've got to film and talk at the same time and do everything. Right, and this is the fruit from the ackee. So let me get this one off. This one is what you call the old pod. You can't eat these when the pod is closed like this. You've got to wait till the pod is open, and then there's the fruit inside what you use. So if you eat this, open this and eat it like this, then it'll poison you. Right, so this is the fruit when it's open. You can see it looks like like a big spider with those spiders with the big black eyes when it's open. Then when it's open, you peel back the skin like that. So that's the fruit what you're looking for. Then you take out, show you a bit more detail. So you've got the fruit there. That eye bit, can either break it off or cut it off. So that's the seed. You don't want that bit. And then inside the two halves there's a reddish skin here. That you can't see it, there's a, let's see if I can get it in focus. It's on my big finger. That's the skin. What's on the inside, it's a reddish colour. You want to take that out as well. You don't want to be eating that. Right. So let me just stop this, and I'm going to try and get in a bit more so you can see exactly what's going on. Right everybody, so I've got some more to peel here. I hope everything's in focus. So just picking out the red stuff inside. Sometimes you need a knife. Grab a little knife. I just don't know where everything is at the moment. So some people, they just cut it down like that. And right down on the other side. And then I just pull that out. You've got the red bit inside to take out. Take the right knife for doing this. Just doing it just to show you how to do the Ackee. What I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can find out the right knife for doing this. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, so I found the right knife for this now. I haven't done this for a long time, so although there's a quicker way of doing it, but I'm not 100% on it yet. Chickens think I'm feeding them. This is basically what the Ackee looks like. See a bit of canopy over here, like a rocky tree. These chickens you see, that is basically what the Ackee plant is. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. Just showing you what the various fruits are like in Jamaica. The ackee is clabbed from meal. It's sold on the roadside. It's one of our staple dishes, so you just cook it how you want with onions, tomatoes, you put thyme, you can put more or less sweet peppers, more or less what you want to put in there, you put in there, then you're good to go. I'm making an actual trouble for this, but so it goes sometimes. Once I get used to doing it again, then I'll be a lot quicker. So, hope you all enjoy that one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. And hope to see you all on the next video. You take care of yourself. And watch all the other Jamaican videos that I've got coming out soon. I'm sorry I have to bend a bit because I have to be doing different things at different times. But I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.